So let's see how I can prepare chicken 65. To the raw chicken, I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice flour, some pepper powder, some turmeric powder, I'm going to add salt to taste, some garam masala, and now I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. So the masalas get well binded with the chicken, and also to get a tender chicken. Now I'm adding Archie's 65 masala. You can use any brand. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste. After adding ginger garlic paste, I'm gonna mix them up well and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and keep them aside so that the chicken gets well marinated. Before cooking the chicken, let's leave the marinated chicken aside for at least 1 hour before we put them in the oil for frying. Now that is all done, now I'm gonna squeeze in 1 full lemon just to get the tangy taste.